So good evening. Welcome to Business Satsang. Today we are going to learn how to build your online office. What are the must-have digital systems and tools? So how many of you would like to create an amazingly credible online presence? Raise your hand. How many of you would like to create an amazingly credible online presence? Good evening. Welcome Ashok, welcome Sabu, welcome Areen, welcome Bhavna, Dhaval, M. Mehta, Manoj Kumar, Manoj PS, Mohammed, Premji, Vinod. Who else we have here? Thank you for joining in today. So just wanted to, yeah. So how many of you would like to know how to build your online office? What it takes to build your online office? How many of you are already having an offline office? How many of you already have an offline office? I'm not able to see your chat, so I'm not sure if you're typing in, guys. No. All right. So how many of you are aspiring entrepreneurs here? Aspiring entrepreneurs. Sabu, you're raising your hand. So is it something you want to speak? Please type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box. Yeah. So you're an aspiring entrepreneur. Okay. Dhaval Kumar, Mohammed want to be an entrepreneur. All right. So may I know what is it that you do at present? May I know how many of you here are teacher, trainer, coaches, and consultant? Type in the chat box. If you're a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, type in the chat box TTCC. Ashok is in a job. Mohammed wants to be a trainer. If you are already a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, artist who has knowledge, and if you would like to convert your knowledge into an online business model, then welcome to Business Satsang, number one. If you are a SME business owner, an entrepreneur, a solopreneur, a network marketer, welcome to Business Satsang. You will get a lot of marketing strategies, sales strategies, right? How many of you are first timers here? Teacher and train the teachers and trainer in digital tools. Okay. Okay. So if you are an entrepreneur already, then definitely you will learn a lot of marketing and sales strategies. You can be an SME business owner, you can be a solopreneur, freelancer. I don't like to use the word freelancer, a solopreneur. Or you could be an aspiring entrepreneur. And if you are here, you are learning right set of things. So you reduce your chances of failure. You act and think in the right direction. So whatever your business need, thank you so much for joining today's session. I welcome all of you here. How many of you are first timers here? Type in the chat box, first timers. First timers. First time, never heard me before, never seen me before. This is the first time you are attending my program. Type in the chat box FT, first timer. As if you interact, guys, it will help me. I am not sure why I'm not able to see your chat. Are you typing in? First timer, FT, first timer, FT. Vinod is a first timer. Thank you, Vinod, for responding. Guys, if I don't have a participative crowd, my energies will drip. Okay, so let's not waste each other's time. If you want to acquire more knowledge, more business insight, more skills, right skills, learn in right direction, reduce your learning curve, then I expect your participation, right? So just we have only one first timer here, and all of you others have been heard me before. So how many of you have heard me before? Type in the chat box, heard before. Type in the chat box, heard before. Mohammed, are you a first timer here? You've put ST, so I don't understand. Sabuman second, Sharmila has heard before. Thank you so much. Thank you for responding. Mohammed is a second timer. All right, guys. So how many of you, Velai Chami is a second timer, Dhaval has heard before, great. So we have people who have 1 year before, all right, welcome back. So thank you so much for showing back again. All right. Good to see you here. Right. So second time, yes, Ashok. So how many of you are interested to know what it takes to create your online presence? If I'm asking this question, because if that is not what you need, when we will simply have a Q&A, then I will not share what I want to share today. I will simply indulge in a Q&A. I will let you speak and you can ask any business questions that is bothering you right now. So what do you want to do? Okay, do you want to have a Q&A session, or do you want to know the must-have digital systems and tools to build your online office? Option 1 for Q&A, option 2 for must-have digital systems and tools to build your online presence. Sharmila says option 2, Mohammed is saying option 2. Vinod is saying option 2. Okay. What about others? Okay. Velai Cham is working on board ship. Okay. Welcome. Utkarsh is saying option 2. All right. So then let's proceed with the agenda of today's session. Right. So why don't you share what do you think it takes to build your online office? What do you think? What is required to create your online office? What is required to create your online office? Investment. Thank you so much. Bang on. Okay, but let us make it little more. What do you say? How many of you would like it low investment? Low investment. Because when you start a business, it takes a lot of investment, right? A jewelry business takes in crores. A franchisee of a super premium brand will go above crores. A franchisee of a premium brand will go in 50 lakhs, right? And if you want to start any business, at least how much money do you think will be required in the offline world minimum to start any kind of business? Rentals, deposits, your interiors, your infrastructure, if you need systems, hiring at least few staffs, admin, receptionist, housekeeping, then your electricity bill, your AC costs, right? Your phone expenses, right? These are so many, right? So now we have not even, now if you are in services business, then you don't have inventory cost. But if you are in product business, then you have an inventory cost also, right? So what do you think? 15,000? No. In an offline world, which business can you start in 15,000? I'm talking about in the offline world, how much it takes to start your offline business. Okay, minimum 10 lakhs. Okay, minimum 10 lakhs in the offline world I'm talking about. Now we are talking about creating, depends, okay, 2 lakhs. See, if you, okay, low investment, low gains. High investment, high gains. How many of you believe that? If you're investing less in the business, your gains will be comparatively less. So if you're investing a 1 crore in a business, that means you're expecting that much kind of revenue at least, right? So low investment means low revenue, low gains in the offline world. But the advantage of starting your online based business model is it is a low investment business model. Okay. And what all you need? We need a laptop. Okay. You can use a mobile also, but let's do it in a professional way. A great internet connection, right? And some audio and video system so that there is clarity of sound and your video is clear, lighting is good enough. These are basics, okay? So because who said investment? Utkarsh said investment, right? So investment, definitely. Low investment, we'll fine tune it to low investment. Then what else? What else? Someone says website. Thank you so much, Ashok. Website. What else will make your online office? In the offline office, you have a sales team, you have a marketing team, you have an operations team, correct? You have an HR team, then we can put them under operations only. Okay. So if you are running a business kind of a format, these are the departments you will have. Even if you are solopreneur, you do everything yourself. You are only recruiting, you are only doing sales and marketing, you are only managing the show, all the operation, logistics, handling phone calls, or delivery of item, everything you do when you are working as a solopreneur, an independentpreneur, an I-preneur, right? Everything you are doing, right? So in the online world, what will make an online office? So the operations of your business can be called, the website will take care of operations. I generally don't like to use the word website. Thank you so much, payment gateway. I like that. Thank you so much, Mohammed Bawa. So we need it in low investment. We need a website. Can we not call it a website? Because website, if you are just building a website, okay, it's informative unidirectional website, it is not working for you like an online office. So I want to replace this word website with the word online office. Okay, so what should happen? Your welcome should happen. You have this online office should play the role of receptionist, right? Welcoming people into your world. It should also handle enquiries, right? Help desk, handle enquiries. It should also have a support mechanism in place or a chat system in place if your products or services demand that, right? It should be able to generate leads. The sales team should also be present there on your online office. That is why I'm not calling it website. It's outdated. Remove this word website from your dictionary. Okay. So whenever you want to create your online presence, you will never say, I want to create a website. Your mind should think in this direction. I want to create an online office. www.vandanamherutra.com is my online office address. grow.vandanamherutra.com, that's my learning management system, right? So because it's a membership site, so my customers are also there. I'm managing and engaging my customers also there, retaining, engaging, generating leads. Sales is also happening. Marketing is also happening, right? Makes sense? Landing page, beautiful, right? So why do you need a landing page? So thank you so much. I like that, right? So low investment. Instead of website, we are going to be building an online office, because this office should take care of generating leads, generating sales, okay, engaging and nurturing your customers, your prospects, your visitors, strangers who land up on your website, right? So how about that? How many of you would like to build an online office with no employees, no deposit, no rentals? This online office will take care of everything. What all you need in your business? Most importantly, you want to generate leads. Why? Because revenue will come only after sales are happening. And how will sales happen? When somebody is interested in your product or services. And how to create interest in your product and services? For that, in your online office, you need to offer a lead magnet, which is something free yet valuable to your target audience. So that can be done via a landing page. That can be done via a pop-up model. It's called a model on your website. Okay. Or by a call to action, CTA, call to action, right? I will show you all of these things. So we are talking a lot of things. We actually went into the depth. How many of you are enjoying so far? How many of you are learning so far? How many of you learned something so far? Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Sharmila. Learning, Abhinav, thank you so much. Enjoy, thank you so much, right? So we have many people in the webinar, but I would expect more participation from the crowd, because then I know that you guys are excited. The session is going on good. This is what you want, and this is going to empower you. This will transform the way you do your business. Thank you so much, Venkat Reddy. Thank you so much, Velai Chami. Vinod, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your inputs. right? So now let us take a look at what it takes to build your online office, right? What it takes. There are few digital systems and tools that you will require. So let me give you a walkthrough of my website, right? From there, I will talk to you about various tools also that I am using, right? Now, if you are a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, and if your knowledge is your product, where will you put your courses? Where will you host your courses? Now, for that, you will need a separate tool. For creating landing page, you will need a tool, but you can also create okay, I'm getting into more detail. Let me give you a demo, then you will understand everything, right? So let's start with marketing. Let's start from the Facebook ad. Let me see if I have that link handy. Anyone here has my Facebook link handy from my past session? Does any one of you have my, otherwise I will have to just start my WhatsApp here. Let me see if we have the Facebook, Facebook. Let me get it from the web.whatsapp.com. Wait, just a moment. Just a moment. Give me, guys. Anyone here who has my Facebook link handy, you can share in the chat box. So let me show you how this entire online business works. Okay, from marketing to operations to sales, everything. Okay, so I just need somehow I didn't plan to do this, but I think in the flow it is fitting. So I just need my Facebook post. Give me a moment. So from where you actually signed up for my knowledge business, right? Hold on. I just need to start my WhatsApp on the if anyone has my Facebook post handy, it will be great if you can, I'm just searching and sending it. So I'll show you the entire workflow, how it works, because this is how most of your online business will happen. Okay, but just to make sure that your entire online office, from marketing to sales to lead generation, everything is happening. Okay, how do I send it? I need to launch my, I generally close it because there are too many notifications that come. Give me a moment, guys. Yeah. Right. So this is how it goes. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Mohammed already gave. Thank you so much. So let's, I'm just going to do a screen share. Right. So now let's click on this link. Right. So now, is my audio video screen clear? Is my audio video screen clear? Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? Clear. Thank you so much, right? And thank you for bearing with me, right? So I'm going to be explaining you the entire online office. When I say online office, I mean marketing is also happening. I mean sales is also happening. Lead marketing, lead generation is also, sales will happen only when you have leads, right? That is also happening. Then you are also having the HR, reception, admin of your office on your web presence, where you are telling people about your products and services, which is setting the operations. And then how do you engage and nurture your community in a automated manner? You can do it via chatbots, you can do it via emails. So we will look at the way I am doing things at present. So how many of you are super excited to see the end-to-end workflow of how all the pieces of this digital puzzle works for you? Okay. How many of you are interested to know how this, all the pieces of digital puzzle, how the Facebook or your LinkedIn or Instagram or Twitter, so how you market and how you generate leads, how people sign up, how do you get their name and email IDs, how do you send them automated emails, how do you set up the payment gateway, where are you hosting your products or services? How many of you are super interested to know that? Sudha is super interested, Dhaval is super interested, right? So tighten your seat belts. We are just going to have a complete walkthrough. And then I will say this piece is marketing, this piece is generating leads, this piece is operations, where you tell people about your products and services, you create interest, and everything is happening digitally online 24/7 into 365. Thank you, Ravi. Well, Chami is super excited. Mohammed is super excited. Thank you so much, right? So most of you have actually signed up for my program, right? Most of you have actually signed up. You actually clicked on this link, right? And you got the free course, right? Knowledge Business Model, the free course. And you, so now this ad copy is very important. It is created. Now this becomes your marketing collateral. This is your marketing collateral. I am talking to people who want to create their knowledge-based online business. So I'm offering them some details about how they can become part of my program. And to give value, I am giving you a course worth, actually it's worth 10,000, but free. Along with that, I'm giving you a lot of bonuses. So the moment you click on this, right? The moment you click on any of these links, it takes you to what we call a landing page. A landing, what is a landing page? A landing page is created for one specific purpose, either signing up into a webinar or buying a product or services, or that it is generating leads, okay, or for generating leads, right? So now this is the page that you would have come here, you would have come here, right? And then whatever I share here, and I'm not going to play all of that because you've already got access to the course, right? So now that becomes the marketing piece. From the Facebook ad, we are doing paid promotions, right? We are spending money on marketing to reach out to the people who have an interest in whatever I have to offer, right? And based on that, you come here, you want to know more whether it is good enough, or are you being fooled, or it's a gimmick, or is it genuine? So you want to know more about what is it. So you watch this video, or those who are convinced will straight away go and enroll for free, right? So you simply click here, or some want to know more before they sign up. So they are looking at, okay, fine. Until now, somebody has not decided they want to sign up. Okay, they still want to go through what all they are going to get. So this is what you will get. So this is all communication happening online, right? So the landing page has to be designed in such a way that people get all their questions answered. Whatever they are processing within their mind should be there, because you don't want to lose leads. You don't want to lose any interest, right? Now, by this stage, somebody would, then apart from this, I'm offering so many valuable bonuses, absolutely free. You must be getting automated emails from me, right? And not only that, on the WhatsApp, if you have sent a message, you also get all these details handy on your WhatsApp, provided you have stored our number, because if you're not stored our number, then the links are not clickable. Links do not work. So if you would like to, I'm just going to share, put this in the chat box. If you kindly share, yeah, Facebook link, I'm going to share. Wait, let me share the Facebook link. Yeah, thank you for asking. I'm just going to copy paste. Somebody's already shared, but yeah, I'll reshare it. Right. So I hope this is a complete link. It takes you there, right? Now, after this, my number, what's my business office number is 6363958485. Please store this number in your contacts if you would like to receive all the bonus details on your WhatsApp. Okay. Anyways, you're receiving emails. But if you don't store this number, then the links do not become clickable, and then you will struggle to copy paste. So if you don't have this number, please store it as Vandana KDM knowledge. My program is called KDM, Knowledge Digitization, Monetization and Marketing Business Model, KDM, right? So with whatever name you would like to store, go ahead and store that, so that next time you're sending any links, it is clickable for you and you know from where you have received the messages, right? So once you go to the Facebook, right? And we don't entertain calls on that number, only messaging. So I hope you understand at this stage of the journey, only messaging, right? So now once you click there, you go to this landing page. And once you click on the landing page, so now this is the landing page. Anyone has any questions on the landing page? Does anyone have any questions on the landing page? Does anyone have any questions on the landing page? So far, so good. So far, so good. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So we have created now. I'm going the other way. Generally, I would like to first show you how to set up your digital factory, because only then you are ready to market yourself. When we say you're ready to market yourself, you're ready to invest money, so you get the most of your spend on marketing. So if you're putting 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or whatever is your budget, okay, unless you have done a good job of setting your operations right, of setting your sales funnel right, of setting things in a way that once you are marketing and somebody lands up on your website, if 10 people are landing up on your website, at least shoot for 50% people to register for your free courses, free programs, lead magnet, give their name and email IDs. If you do a good job, you can actually get 80% people signing up. So it is very important to first set up your digital factory. Then the production will happen. First set up the factory. Then the production. What is production? Your webinars, your programs, they're ongoing things, right? But to be able to generate people who are interested in your products, you will have to market yourself. When you market, when people are interested, you should be able to convert these strangers into prospects and leads. So because only then they will become your customers, because only when they buy something for you, when you see some money, then it becomes a business. Make sense? Make sense? Right? So earlier across all my programs, I've always gone that way. First, create your factory, set up your online office. Then what it takes to market, what it takes to sell your product. This time I'm going in reverse way, okay? We are marketing, okay? So Facebook is the tool that we are using for marketing. Then we have created an exclusive page because we want people to sign up only for one particular product, service, or webinar, program, course, mini course, lead magnet, book, whatever it is. The landing page has an agenda. It is part of your sales funnel or marketing funnel, right? Makes sense, right? So in this case, what is my lead magnet? How I am capturing people who are interested in my program? The KDM business model. That is a free 2-hour, highly valuable course, which I have prepared after investing. By that time, I had invested 20 plus lakhs. As on today, it is more than 32 plus lakhs, because last year when I made that course, till that time I had invested 20 plus in learning, applying, Facebook campaign, doing a lot of things, okay? Since 2017, when I started my speaking journey. Anyways, I have not spoken about myself. I will hold that. I'll park it for some time. Let's finish this piece because it's flowing beautifully, right? So, so market, then a landing page, which is created for a specific purpose, right? I'm going to share the screen again, right? So what happens then when you click on this? Now there are multiple ways, but I am taking you to my payment, even though it is free. Now this is not a necessary step, but this is one of the best practices. Okay, why it is a best practice? Because the lead generation is also happening here. If you don't want to invest in too many tools in the beginning, then see, you can directly take them to your Zoom webinar link also. Okay, you can all take them to your broadcast system. You can take them directly to your WhatsApp group. There are multiple ways. We are looking at one of the best practices which the most top end people are using globally. Now in India it is InstaMojo, but in other countries there is a different way of doing things. They have all the payment set up in the landing page itself. The in the landing page itself, you have a provision to make a purchase and everything happens there. But for Indian knowledge givers, entrepreneurs, whoever would like to create their online presence, uh, first of all, this payment gateway is free. InstaMojo, Razorpay, and if you're expecting international payments, then Stripe. If because most people don't have PayPal account, Stripe is a layer, an interface over PayPal. Okay, so what are the popular payment gateways? InstaMojo, Razorpay, and Stripe. PayPal, because Stripe will take care of the PayPal and other international payments, right? So these are the, now we are talking about what are the tools you need, right? So you need a marketing tool, which is Facebook, right? What you need in the Facebook, you need a high converting ad copy, and you need something to offer. Either right now people are totally bored of webinars and 99 rupees and 199 rupees program. Okay, but earlier it used to generate thousands of leads. Now the cost of lead has gone up. So there are a lot of reasons why, why you should do a 99 program, 199 program, 499 program, or you should do a free program. You direct people to a landing page, or you direct them to your broadcast system, which is Zoom Link or Demio or Webinar Jam or automated webinar, or you're directing them to a landing page from there. A lot of things are there. It depends on specific need of your business and how you would like to have your marketing and sales funnel decided, right? Some people take them to the website. Earlier, I used to take people to my website. Okay, and from website, I would direct them to my webinars. I would give my ebook as a lead magnet. So there are various ways of doing things. But right now, I'm telling you the most functional webinar jam. What are the names you told? Okay, Demio. But Zoom is a good software. Demio, I said. There are a lot of advantages of using Demio in the beginning. Because it gives you a landing page kind of a registration page. So you don't have to invest in a landing page software. Okay. So don't worry about remembering all these. Webinar Jam also allows you Demio. It's Demio. Okay. If you want to know about these tools, you can go on my website. You don't have to worry about remembering or link. You can go on my website and I have a resources page. In the last session, actually, my website was not loading because my domain had expired. And I was not on top of that because I was traveling and somehow I missed all those emails, right? So in the resources page, I talk about a lot of tools. Okay, email marketing tools. Now I have, this is Demio. This is Demio. Okay, so if you want to explore all the tools, you can simply go and explore here. But right now, what I'm trying to tell you is that use Zoom. Okay, Zoom is a better lot of, because people are on Zoom, they understand how to use Zoom. Demio has its own set of challenges, but just knowing the tool is good. And there is a very specific reason if you would like to use Demio. Earlier in the beginning, when you don't want to invest in landing pages, like I'm using ClickFunnels for landing pages, okay, you need not use that. That cost also you can save. That cost also you can save. You can simply build a landing page on your website itself. For example, I have built one landing page on my website itself. Say, let me see if I have that. No, not this one. Wait. It's not here. Let me see if it is here. Yeah, this is the example of a landing page. This is a static page. This is not a landing page. Though it is a landing page, but if you want to save cost, you can make it like a static page on your website, build it like a landing page. It is meant for a specific purpose. It will help you save. ClickFunnels is like $97 a month. So you don't have to, you can build something like this as a static web page on your website. It will help you save a lot of money in the beginning. But if you are in the scaling stage, then you need more powerful tools, okay, which does which does lot more work. So now it is just a page which is created for a specific purpose. So you don't need to you don't need to buy a separate software or subscribe to a separate software in the beginning. You can simply create one page like a landing page, something like this. Okay, it is like a landing page, right? Okay, so now Facebook campaign. From there, we went to the landing page. From landing page, when we click this, we went to the payment gateway. Now here you are going to give me your name and contact details, right? When you give me your name and contact details here, what have I done? I have generated lead, right? Now, if it was not a free program, if it was a 99 rupees program, then instead of this, if I had put 99 or 199, then I have also generated some sales, right? So I've done marketing. I'm also generating sales, right? So I mean, let me log in and show you. So I have generated a lot of sales like that, but for this specific thing, I am working with the different agendas, right? So let me show you the back end of my, right? So let us see how many people have signed up, right? So now this is for some, see there are 8,683 transactions that have happened. Now, this is for the 199 program that we were running. After that, I'm not taking payment here. That is why the numbers are not reflecting here. Okay. But this is how, what happens is all my leads data, everything I get here, right? So now, what is the advantage of doing this on InstaMojo? I'm also getting the name and contact details of all my people who have subscribed. So some of you have subscribed here. Look at this, right? If I click, I get the name and contact details, right? So I'm generating leads here. Now, there are a lot of things here, okay? In the payment gateway itself, I have generated the leads. There are other ways of generating the leads, directly taking them into your list, okay? So we did marketing. We directed them to the payment gateway, right? From here, once people gave their name, and if there was an amount here, it becomes sales as well. And then we got the name and contact details. Now we want to send them a welcome email, right? We want people who have subscribed. We should immediately get in touch with them. So, right, the moment you give your details here, what happens next? What happens next when you give your name and contact details? You are directed to a next set of things, right? You are getting an email in your inbox. And this is called a thank you page, okay, where I am telling you how to access your course. I'm also telling you what are the bonuses you will receive and where you will receive. And if you would like to add yourself to the WhatsApp group, right, you can send us a message here. What else you can do? You can also join my live sessions, which happen every Tuesday at 9 p.m., right? And also become part of my Telegram community. Why? Because all recordings and free courses and topics on weekly satsang are all shared at one place there. So if you are not in my Telegram group, how many of you are not in my Telegram group? How many of you are not in my Telegram group? Then you should get yourself added in the Telegram group. So one second, I'll just give you the link to join the Telegram group if you are not there, because the session recordings, past session recordings, some offers I keep making, free courses I offer, some insights I share. If I make some new videos, I share details there. So if you're not in the Telegram group, kindly use this link to join the Telegram group, and you will also get access to past business satsang recordings. They're very powerful videos we have done. There is a playlist. I will give you access to that playlist. Okay, so I'm just going to share. If you're not able to, some people are not able to click the bit.ly link. So this is the link to join the Telegram group, right? So now what has happened? Marketing happened. Then we got into payment gateway. Now this is a free program. Otherwise, we are generating sales also. Now the leads have come here into this database. At the same time, I'm using one more tool because I'm in the scaling stage. But you guys don't need that. At the beginning, whoever is in scaling stage will need it, because there are multiple ways of the funnels can be different. Okay. So from here, what we do is we we straight away extract all the leads into a lead dashboard. Okay. What I do is we extract the leads into a lead dashboard. Let me show you that. I don't have it on this particular browser. I will have it here. So, so we use an automation tool called Zapier. Okay, we use an automation tool called Zapier, and we take all the leads on a dashboard in an Excel sheet, right? So I look at this. If you look at this, these are all my leads which I've generated for the free course. Okay, for the free course. Until now, we have generated over 6,000 change. 6,000. Okay, 6,350 people. See, just now I signed up, right? So my name came here, right? So this is how the leads gets in this. Now these are all for the scaling stage people, because I'm using this database for multiple reasons. I'm using this database for multiple things. That is why I'm accumulating it at one dashboard. Otherwise, I want you guys to come into my list. Now, what is that? So let's get back to my website. So this is one way of doing things. Now, what happens is, if you are not running a Facebook campaign, but through your videos, through your lead magnets, if you want to engage and send automated emails to your target audience, your prospects, what you need to do is, straight away from here, when somebody says, let's take my business, these are my lead magnets here, or you could just opt in for my free ebook, whatever. If you want to claim a free, I have multiple lead magnets here, right? So now if I say, let's take your business online, access this free course. So the moment you give your name, now because I've already been giving my details here, let's see which one should I give. Let me try this. But if I've already, yeah. So now immediately it is, I've captured the name and email ID, and now I'm directing you to my free course, right? You can enroll in the course for free, right? So now I have got the name and contact details in my email automation system, okay, which is called an autoresponder email marketing system. The one that I'm using, I've used multiple systems: GetResponse, Aweber, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Constant Connect, ActiveCampaign. I have used many, but for first timers, non-techie people, this is a pretty simple and straightforward product. Okay, so the lead starts generating, so there are multiple ways of doing things. I hope you guys are enjoying this. How many of you are enjoying this? Are you learning something? Is it useful? Just going to do a stop share for a moment, because I think it is getting a little technical, and I hope people are not getting bored. So how many of you are enjoying this? Enjoying? Is it making sense? Will it help you? Can you see why the online presence is not working for you? Can you see what are the missing pieces in what you are doing, because of which your online presence or the way you want to do things, there are all these pieces connect beautifully. And if you have gone through my free course, please complete that. If you would have completed that, my today's session will be making so much sense to you, because there I talk about how to create your digital assets in the form of courses, videos, blogs, ebooks, templates, assessments, whatever, right? First you create, I already have a product. I've hosted that product somewhere. I will talk about that as well, right? So digitize, then monetize, okay? With your network organically or with little marketing budget, get some few 5, 10, 15, 20 customers, monetize. There are low cost monetization strategies. And then when you have some 20, 30, 50 customers you work with, then your best product comes out. Okay, because your customers help you evolve your product. Okay, and then once your best product, you will know this is the way you want to engage, this works for you well, this should be your course content, everything. When you have all that clarity, you are now ready to market yourself, marketing to scale, marketing to have 100, 500, 1,000, 8,000, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever customers. Then you need lot of digital systems and tools, not lot. Earlier it was lot. I will also show you one tool which is taking care of landing pages, marketing funnels, lead generation, automation, email sending. I'm going to share one particular tool. It is still evolving. It's in beta, but it is good to know, because otherwise each tool takes a lot of time to learn. Okay, if you want to do it yourself. Right? No, these tools are not free tools. They have monthly subscription. But good thing is, in the offline world, you have to have employees. You need a receptionist. You need housekeeping staff. You need a sales team. You need a marketing team. Right? Right? So these tools are like your employees. In tier 1 cities, I pay, the entire, how much, even housekeeping jobs take minimum 10 to 12,000, 15,000. Somebody, a sales guy, if you are hiring a fresher also as a salesperson, how much is the salary you will have to pay them per month? And on top of that, you will have to train people, train them. Agree? You will have to train them. But in the online world, these tools become your employees. And you know what? You don't have to train them. You need to be trained to how to use them. They know their work properly. You need to know how to use them. So think of these tools as an investment. And the price band is, say, $15, $29 a month, maximum $97 a month. In one of the learning management system, it is $119 a month. If you go on the professional version, where you need more advanced features, you need this Zapier integration, auto delivery of courses, but the basic things will all come under $39, $49 a month. Convert that into rupees, 3,000, 3,500 rupees a month, right? Make sense? Yeah. If you orient yourself that these tools are my investment, they are like my employees, you will be very happy to pay the monthly subscription. But if you think, oh, they are expenses, oh, monthly 39, oh, 3,500 rupees, they are helping you reduce your work drastically, right in the comfort of your home, with no office, no offline office, no employees, no deposit, no salaries. You can run this business all on your own, single-handedly, with right digital systems and tools. So you need a marketing platform for sure. Organic ways of generating leads is very slow. And right now, because of COVID, many people are online. So all the more you're not getting attention. So it is important that you invest money in marketing, paid marketing, okay, whatever it is, okay. So Facebook campaign marketing tool, in this case, I'm just taking that example, right? Then landing page, you can no need to have ClickFunnels or any software. In your website itself, you can create one specific landing page, which has either directing them to your webinar or free course or template or assessment or ebook, because the intent is to generate leads who are interested in your offering. It's a glimpse into your offering. You got that? Now your website, from the website, see, so far I haven't even used my website. If you look at it, From the Facebook campaign to the landing page to the payment gateway, I have generated lead without using my website. Have you noticed that? Have you noticed that? But there are people who want to check you out. Okay, what else? Because there are so many campaigns happening. So they may want to go and check out your website is your online office address where you can talk more about your products and services, right? You can talk so much about your products and services. I'm just going to do a share screen. I'll go back to my website and now let's look at what is it that I'm communicating on my website, right? I'm just going to go to my website, right? So now there are 6 components of a lead generating website. My intent from my website is to generate leads, establish my credibility and generate leads. That is my interest and my website is based completely on that. Okay, if I want to position myself as an authority in whatever I do, my website will not be like this. It will be more blogs, more contents, right? My intent is lead generation website. So you must watch my playlist. 6 components of a lead generating website, which is the first business satsang session that we had done. And that is why it is important for you to go and sign up in the Telegram group. Again, I'm giving the link because you get access to all these business playlists and everything. I have a wonderful playlist, free 128 videos on your knowledge business model, short videos. And the business satsang playlist itself, this is 14th or 15th session, 2 hour session, 12 into 24 hours of powerful learning. Okay, please go ahead and watch that. You will have to first join the Telegram group. I will share the playlist again for those who are new here. Okay, and those who don't know about me, I will also share a video where you can, let me see if I have that video started playing somewhere. It is here. Can you see this video? Can all of you see this video? Let me give the link here. I'll give you the link in the chat box. I did not, because this time we don't have many first timers, but I generally don't like to talk about who I am, what I do and stuff like this and take 10-15 minutes. So simply put, for the first timers here, I'll just make one line. I have about 25 years of professional experience in my 47 years of my life. And I have 15 years of serial entrepreneurship experience across IT, non-IT, B2B franchising. Okay, and I have worked with thousands of people and given them high income skills, transformed their businesses significantly, generated leads at less cost, changed their revenue numbers drastically with powerful strategies. Okay, so revenue increase, customer retention, and also created an entrepreneur in just 28 days. An employee turned entrepreneur in just 28 days. Okay, so these are some of my things. If you want to know more about me now, that's now because we are in the live session, but you can always go and know more about me in my website, right? So I have, most importantly, what is it that I help people do? I've covered that. I help people shift to next orbit, whatever business they are in, right? I want to create world-class entrepreneurs where you do things with being highly productive, with a lot of efficiency, and with powerful strategies. Most of us think we don't know how to use Facebook. That is why we are not able to make the online world work for us. How many of you think because you don't know these digital systems and tools, that is why this online world is not working for you? How many of you think that way? How many of you think that way? Right? Thank you, Dhaval. Sharmila says me, yes, but you know what is the unspoken truth? Unspoken truth in business. It's not the tools. You need strategies. You need powerful sales, marketing, conversion strategies, digital setup strategies, digital factory setup creation strategies. These tools, there are many people who know how to use the tools. And that is why, how many of you have been to many digital marketing people and you said, oh, I invested in Facebook, it didn't work for me, my money got wasted. I hired someone to do my website, but I'm not happy with my website does nothing, right? So it is not, they know their work. They know their work, but what they don't know is business acumen, business insights, strategies that will work specifically for you. That comes with a lot of experience. entrepreneurship experience. And I have acquired that over these 15 years of 7 diverse businesses that I have created along with my life partner. Different customer segment, different employee segment, different product ticket size, from a low ticket ice cream, 80 rupees, 60 rupees, to a 60, 80 lakh software products, right? So much that we put all of that to make it working, right? So yeah, what is a digital factory? Digital factory is this online office, right? Once you have all the systems set on your factory. What is a factory? When you want to, what is a factory? You will have the necessary machinery to run in autopilot mode, right? So now let us look at this, right? This is a factory. This is a digital factory. I've got the attention of my target audience. I'm telling them how I can help them. And if they want to experience what I can do, I am asking them to access these free courses. I'm generating leads here. I have marketed my website. How have I marketed my website? Either I have promoted my videos or I'm doing a Facebook campaign. Even in this video, I have marketed myself, right? If you look at the show more content, I've given everything here. So this is generating leads for me 24/7. Join my live sessions, join my Telegram group. If you want to know more about me, I've been featured in CNBC in 2008 in a program called All for This One Moment, Your Story, Live Mint, CIO Review. All my professional accomplishments I have put there, right? And yeah, so I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to say how I collect reviews also, right? Then this is the tool I was talking about. I will leave this open. We will talk about it right now. It's a little out of context, but if you get this video, you will get all the links there, right? So now put the YouTube link, please. I haven't put that yet. All right. So if you join the Telegram group, you will get all of this. All of this you will get in the Telegram group even after the session, because once I'm in my flow, I forget about sharing the link and all. So just hold on, right? So where is my chat? This is the YouTube link, right? Okay. So going back to my website, right? Here. So I've generated the lead. The lead has come into my autoresponder. Okay, we were in the get response. Let me see my get response. I opened in this tab, right? So this is my list here. This is my autoresponder email marketing system, right? Right. So I'm using, actually right now I'm using another product called Active Campaign. So this is not the latest one here, but in this this email automation itself, I have like 5,432 leads here, right? And we send welcome email, everything from various features in this tool, right? We have set up some autoresponders here, which is 9 days of engagement with you guys. When you sign up for the free course, you have a welcome email and other day 2, day 3 email. Right, this is for this particular, this is for the digital puzzle list. But if I change the list to KDM free, I will see other autoresponders. Okay. So how to set all these mails, all these things. Now there's a learning curve to all of these. Okay, I'm my KDM free. KDM free. Okay, so there are so many emails we have set here. It is just scheduled one time, and as and when people are signing up, you get all those emails, bonus emails, sign up emails, reminder emails, everything is done only once. So this is how I've created an online office, right? I've generated the lead, I've got the person in my list, and the moment I get people in my list, I'm just going to go back to my list. I'll show you what a list, it is called a list building. When you collect the name and email IDs, please don't direct them to Excel sheet or your contact. Generally what people do is contact us and they give the email, info@whateverbusiness.com. So you don't have the list, all the people at one place. You don't have this. I have 789 people in this list, right? I have 1,037 people in this list, right? And I have many more lists, right? People who download my free book, people who have downloaded which course. I have so many. For my paid programs, I have separate list. I've conducted 5-day WhatsApp classes. So all these are all those list numbers, right? So even from the website, This is 5-day WhatsApp paid people, right? 5-day WhatsApp class, and even the other courses that we talk about, right? The 3 or 4 courses. I think that to just clean up some space, I would have deleted some of them. No, from my website, right? Let's convert your expertise into online courses. From the website, I have generated 368 leads organically, right? So this is how you generate list, and then you set up automation there, automation emails and stuff like this within this tool. So this tool which helps you do all of this is called a autoresponder email marketing system. The one that I'm using and the one that I'm recommending to all of you is GetResponse. Okay. And others, ConvertKit, Active Campaign, these are also good. Depends on your need. Right now, as a beginner, this is good. GetResponse is very easy to use for non-techie people, right? So now going back to the website, so we have generated the leads here with these. These are my lead magnets, right? Lead magnets 1, 2, 3. My ebook is also a lead magnet here on my website, and the reviews. People have given me so many reviews, so I've put all the reviews here. Max, I mean, not all. There are many more. Whatever I can, and we put many reviews here. Okay, and it is good because this is the era of reviews. So it is important that you put the reviews here, right? And apart, if you want to know more about me, right? If you want to know more about me, what I do, what is my background, right? Then we have this About Us tab as well. I'm just going to go back. I think this particular panel thing is just blocking all my, so about, right? If you want to know me, my professional accomplishments or whatever, right? So I cover here in the second page, I talk about my whole story. I talk about, and then I'm also generating a lead here. Would you like to learn how to get your business online in fast forward mode? So if somebody is interested, they click the details, I generate a lead that way, right? So I talk about myself here. I talk about my entrepreneurial timeline, what all businesses I've created, my accomplishments, professional timeline, the beginning, about my personal life, about, you can always go and browse all of these, right? What are my accomplishments, right? So where all I have been featured in, right? And always these are all call to actions, right? These are all call to actions. Even I'm just working on these free courses and premium courses. Right now you have some of the options there, but I've also have these resources pages where people can come and learn if they want to learn. This is work in progress. I'm going to be changing this, but see, this is the operations of my business: marketing, sales, and operations, right? Sales is also happening here. I have my premium programs, right? These are the free ones that I click, but I do have my premium programs as well, right? We are just reworking on all of this. So I just want to, because a lot more programs have been created, and I just want to make it, see, whatever course you got, I actually used to sell it for 4,999, and then I made it 2,999, and then I made it completely free. Where people are increasing their prices, I'm reducing the prices. Okay, why? Because I want more and more people to have access to this knowledge. At least the entire business model, you must understand, you must know the unspoken business truth, you must know where you are getting into, how much are the budgets involved, what are the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle, what it takes to set up all these things. So see, the sales is also happening here, marketing has happened, lead generation has happened, sales is happening here. I talk about what I do on the homepage itself, right? And the homepage itself, what I excel at, right? What I do, how I do, and why I do, everything is covered on the website. That's how you represent your business. The what, why, and how of your business is your marketing communication, your collaterals, what you want to tell people, the value you bring in the marketplace, right? Make sense? So marketing, sales, lead generation, everything happening on the website. Even if I am doing some videos on YouTube, I'm making sure that I'm collecting the leads here also, right? Because otherwise you are having lead leaks. If you are not directing people, this is strategy. Makes sense, right? Why free? Free because in this particular business model, first of all, the I also used to feel that because I don't know how to use Facebook, because I don't know these marketing platforms, digital marketing, that is why I'm not able to generate leads or generate sales. But the more in depth I went, I realized it was not about tools. It was about strategies, digital strategies, how to create these funnels, how to direct channelize people. Because I had lot of money leaks also and lead leaks also. Because when I was doing videos, I was simply expecting people to subscribe. There was no call to action to subscribe. Then when people subscribe, I don't have their name and contact details. So I didn't know I need to build my list. It's called list building. Okay, and for that it is very important that you channelize people to give them a free lead magnet, generate leads direct from the video, direct them to the website. So this is how you will have to. This is a strategy for lead generation. In 2017, when I started this, I wrote one article in LinkedIn. The life of that article was for 3 months. I got more than 3,000 views, but not even a single person I channelized into my program because I didn't know how to capture the interest and convert it into a lead. And if people who would do all this, they were charging a bomb to set up everything that I shared with you way back in 2007, 17, I had got a quotation of 12 lakhs. Okay, because those who are expert, because they are working with bigger brands, lifestyle, all these super premium brands. So they 45 lakhs quotation also I've got. And the lowest one that I got was of 6 lakhs. Okay. So, but now in those from 2017 to now, a lot more tools have come up, a lot of things have been simplified, right? Yes, monetization and conversion is more important, right? So it is very important to, if you want this digital world to work for you, you need 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. I cover all these 8 pieces in that free course that I have given you. So please finish that course. Is there anyone who would have not accessed that course yet, don't know how to access that course? Is there anyone here who have signed up, don't know how to? Okay. So for next time onwards, I am starting an onboarding call for people who have signed up, but they have still not accessed the course. I've already made a video. If you drop a message on 6363958485, okay, you will get all the links which will tell you how to access the course. But next week onwards, I will also share this onboarding link in our Telegram group. So please join the Telegram group. From this week onwards, every Saturday at 11:30 a.m., whoever is joining new into my community, I will do a 30-minute onboarding call while I will explain how to access the course, how to go through that course, how to make most of the course, what are the bonuses, how it will help, and in which order you should complete those bonuses. Now, I've already recorded all of that. I've already given the YouTube link in the emails, in the thank you page, but yet people don't do it. I don't know when there are many people who are not able to still access based by the instructions given. And I used to use business satsang, remaining half an hour, 30 minutes to teach everybody again and again how to launch this. But now I've separated business satsang from onboarding call. So business satsang, my agenda is to take your Q&A, anything where you are stuck, what is bothering, what is not bothering, what is bothering you, you're not able to move forward. I will help address that in my capacity. What I know, I will share. So I want to keep business satsang completely learning oriented session. So this week onwards, every Saturday at 11:30 a.m., those who have still not accessed the free course, you may want to join that. I don't have the link handy right now for that webinar. I will give it in the Telegram group. So it is important for you to join the Telegram group. Okay. So all the links after the session will be given there. You can go and have a look. Make sense? So now, what else, right? Yeah, do you have any questions so far? Do you have any questions? All good? Are you understanding? Is it making sense? Was it helpful? Was it helpful? Was it helpful for you? Yes, helpful. So if you think this session has helped you in some way, I expect your support. I need your help. If you can go and give me reviews on Google, I have shared the review link. Okay, if you can just tell me, share how you benefited from the program, because this is the era of reviews, right? It is the era of reviews. People look at reviews. There are lots happening in this space. A lot of teacher, trainer, coaches, consultant popping up, and um, I'm sure you must. How many of you have attended many webinars in the last 1 year, 1.5 year, right? Right? Do you think that I stand out differently from rest of them? Do you think that I stand out differently from the other webinars and programs in the market? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Dhaval. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you. My intention is your growth. Okay. My intention is your growth. I seriously want your growth. That is why I'm doing it free. At least at this stage, if you can save that money, learn the complete business model, because you need money. You know where you will need money? Number one, your own marketing. On that Facebook, to generate leads, you will need money. For the tools, you will need money. Okay. And if you want to sign up with me as your mentor, guide, coach, consultant, whatever you want to call. Okay. I don't like to be called a coach. I'm not your coach. Okay. You can call me a teacher. You can call me a mentor. You can call a guide. That works, because I have done so many different ways that I know exactly this will work, this will not work. Okay. So I can't coach. I have to mentor. I have to tell you, this is the way things work. 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I put myself on mute. So, okay. So why am I doing this free? Because in this knowledge business, at this stage, understanding the business model, I don't want you to invest a lot of money, because I need you to invest money in digital systems and tools. They are your employees. Those are must have. Okay. So what are must have? Your website is also optional at this stage. Okay. I have shown you without the website also how we can monetize, from the Facebook campaign to the landing page to the Instamojo, but you will need to have the landing page. Now, landing page, if you're not making website, then you will have to use your own website. You will have to create. Okay. Otherwise, you can also, these learning management system, I have this piece was missing. So let me cover this piece also before we close the session. So now, where are my courses? Right? Where are my courses? My courses are hosted on a learning management system. I'm using Teachable at present. I'm using 2 learning management system. Okay. So the other one which I want you guys, because that tool is going to help you reduce all these other different tools cost. It is all in one platform. Only challenges, they are in beta and there are still some challenges, but it's a good tool to explore. This is it is all in one tool. No need of, even your Zoom live sessions you can conduct from this tool. This is a very powerful tool. Right now, for your initial stages, it is good to go. I've given you the link. It's called New Zenler. Okay. Teachable is what I am using, but I'm still recommending New Zenler to you. I am also a New Zenler. Okay. I will show you that also. I'll also show you my learning management system. See, these are my courses here. Okay. These are my various courses that I have on this learning platform. I have hosted all my courses here. Okay. I will give you a quick glimpse inside the learning management system. Okay. So what does a learning management system do? It helps you host your courses. Even it has built. So even if you don't have a website and if you come on a learning management system, the first page, the logged out user page, that becomes your website. It's a membership site kind of a platform. Okay. So even if you don't want to invest, these are all hacks, low cost hacks and solutions that I have come up with after spending so much money and time since my journey of speaking started in, I'm a 1996 graduate. I worked with TCS. Through TCS, I'm a software engineer by background. Through TCS, I worked with Nortel Networks, Lucent, Motorola, Fortune 500 companies. 2003, 2005, after maternity, I simply quit my work because of office politics. And I decided to stay at home, take care of my babies, or do something on my own. That's where the evolution of an entrepreneur happened. I didn't know, I never dreamt that I will be an entrepreneur, not on just one business, seven diverse businesses. 2006, I started my entrepreneurship journey. And in between, there was a time when I questioned why I do what I do. And that time I realized that whatever I have done so far, simply life was driving me. I was not driving my life. Something else was driving my life. I just happened to be doing things, okay, without even asking whether I enjoy that, do I want to do that. But the moment I was part of a program where where the very powerful question they asked, why you do what you do, that question simply transformed my entire life. That training I attended in 2015, and from that point onwards, my life was never the same. Because the moment I realized that why I do what I do, I realized that I want to do something else and I am doing something else. So at the same time, this movie came, Tamasha. How many of you watched that movie, Tamasha? What that movie conveyed, right? You're just putting up a role, playing fake Tamasha, right? It's like you are feeling inside something, but outside you are actually doing something. So I was exactly going through that, and then I rediscovered my whole reason of existence, why I exist on this planet. And I realized that I'm born to speak and inspire, one of my purpose. So I thought, okay, whatever I know, how do I convert it into programs? I started from that. I was good with life mastery, I was good with business mastery, and my spiritual journey was still evolving. So I wanted to do spiritual programs, but I saw that people were very interested in my start your business from scratch or scale your business program. Life mastery also, 8 dimensions of life. I had a lot of interest in that program as well. So I didn't know how to position myself in the market. Which course, how should I position? What is my niche? That was my question. Okay. How should I position myself? And somehow it has been a journey. I'll cover this story some other time. Okay, I'm just cutting it short. Okay, so I realized that well, whatever I know, I want to convert it into courses and programs. And then because of COVID, it was all about online courses and programs, right? So now this is the learning management system where I have hosted all my courses. Okay, so this is how it looks, the inside of learning management. So for example, the course that you have got free, right? So I we don't in India, we generally don't use the which one I opened up. We don't use the what do you say, payment gateways of these learning management system. Okay, we don't use this. Okay, so even though we have 8,000 people who have registered for this program, only 1,700 people have actually enrolled in this, right? All your names and details are all available here with me, right? So I'm just going to show you. See, but in this program itself, I mean, in my learning management itself, I have about 3,000 people, close to 3,000 people. I'll just show you that, right? We'll just take 10 minutes. You guys are enjoying. And if you have any questions, name of the LMS, Teachable. That other one is New. I have given you a link, right? I want you to this, okay? Because people minimum is $39. Okay. And if you use, you need not only one platform. If you really want to invest your time learning any tool, it should be News Unlock that you should learn. Invest only time in one tool, not 7, 8 different tools, which I have personally done. Now, because of that, I'm able to teach you so many things. But if you want to do what I am doing, then you can explore many tools. But if you really want Are you still around? Yeah. All right. Zoom connection was disconnected, right? So now see, these are 2,000, almost 3,000 students are here in this program, right? I can see how which course you have gone through. There are a lot of features. I'm not going to be covering all of this here in detail. I just wanted to give you a glimpse into how you set up the course here. So the course that you got, right? Otherwise, this is one more interesting course I have created. This is a 6-hour plus program. And this is how the curriculum of this program looks like. Okay, there is day zero, welcome message, context setting, know your challenges, book or online course, why learn from me, golden age business model, success blueprint, 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. This is how I've organized. This is how you upload. This is how you structure your courses here on the learning management system. Okay. So otherwise, if you simply want to have a glimpse, you can simply go on this link, grow.vandanamehrotra.com, and you can have a look at how the courses and the course curriculum has been organized. Okay. So this is the learning management system. The other one, this is Teachable. The other one, Newzenler, which I'm talking about, I've shared the link with you. So actually, we are discussing too many things at this stage. Maybe I can do a separate session only on Newzenler. I plan to do that. I think internet has slowed down. Is my audio video clear, guys? Is my audio video clear? Are you able to see me, hear me? Are you able to see me, hear me? Yes, because somehow the connection has gone, looks like. Okay. So let's stop it here because again showing you Newzenler maybe some other time. Okay, you guys can explore. I've already shared the link. If you started a Facebook page, are you allowed to monetize it, charging for membership? I don't understand your question, Sudha. You can monetize your Facebook page. There are some terms and conditions to monetize your Facebook page, but these are all okay. That is not going to see if you mean serious business. Whatever I have taught you today is how you need to set up things, because then you will make good money. But if you are looking at some side hustle and some ways of monetizing your YouTube, your FB page, all these things are not going to give you good revenue. They are just pocket money. Okay, they're just pocket money. So I'm not sure if I understand your question well, because you're saying if you started a Facebook page, are you allowed to monetize it, charging for membership? No. Facebook has a different monetization strategies. I was exploring that some time before, but right now not exploring. So I'm not be able to answer that appropriately. But if you want to convert your knowledge into a serious online business, you must create online recorded, pre-recorded courses. Okay. And then you must market those courses, create and sell courses. This is one. This is having the complete control of your business in your own hands. Alternatively, you can create courses and you can upload it on Udemy or other platforms. There are Coursera, Skillshare, Unacademy, depends on whatever subject, topic it is, whichever is a relevant third-party platform, they will market it for you. But then when they market, you don't get enough money. I think Udemy pays 37% only if they are marketing for you. And money also you don't get immediately. But whatever model I showed you, money is directly coming into my bank account immediately, because it gives me money, cash flow to run my campaigns and stuff like that, right? You need that money for your digital systems and subscription fee for marketing. So whatever, I have tried many things, guys. This is the essence of what will work, and this will stay for some time, some years. Okay. We host, see, there are a lot of low cost options. Hosting it on YouTube as an unlisted video, private video, hosting it on Vimeo, it's a video hosting platform, but it does not give the experience of a course, right? A lot of people build into their website. Rather, I would say instead of doing that, make your website on such third-party platforms. Do the other way, not the, lot of people, they think, oh, monthly fee, I will take off a tool which has only one-time cost so that I don't have to pay recurring fee. But people don't understand that these tools are masters in what they do. So every time they come up with new features, new set of things. So there is you must leverage those. When GetResponse is a email marketing system, they are also giving a website builder right now. They also give landing pages. They're giving autoresponders. They have that broadcast mechanism. They have list building system. So many features are there, right? And then a learning management system, certification, drip is like only when they core, some of the school teachers require, or in some courses, unless people have completed first two courses, they cannot go to the third course. There are a lot of features, okay? Certificate of completion. The whole experience of your target audience is like a proper course. If you host it on a learning management system. If you do all the cutting corners here and there, then you can't expect people to pay you well for your courses also. Make sense? Make sense? So I said low investment, low gains. Higher the investment, higher the gains. Right? Run it like a proper, serious business. If you want to do it as a side hustle, you will always keep on struggling to make money. On and off, on and off. Sometimes some days will be good, some days will not be good, some months will be good. Make sense? Right? So this is all what I had to share. Right? So we have looked at all the, so I'll quickly summarize it, right? We have marketing system, which is Facebook we used. We have sales funnel, landing page, and our website, and the list building system, email automation, GetResponse. We looked at the learning management system, Teachable and NewsEndler. The broadcast system is Zoom. I spoke about Demio, Webinar Jam. What else? We have some more, okay? But Zoom is the best, okay? Low cost and good, okay? Because your customers are also used to using that. The whole customer experience is simpler and easier, okay? So these are the broadcast tool, payment gateway, right? Broadcast tool is Zoom, payment gateway, InstaMojo, Razorpay, Stripe, learning management system, Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, LearnDash, NewsEndler. All of this information is there in the 2-hour course, which I've given you free. Okay, please go through it. The whole knowledge business, 3 stages, digitization, monetization, and marketing. I explain in detail. It is a 2-hour course. Along with that, 4 powerful bonuses I have given you, which really matters. They all make a great bundle. Okay, finish that. Then this session, go and revisit this session. This will make much more sense to you. So today's agenda was how to build an online office. What are the must-have digital systems and tools, right? So I hope the session made sense to you. Eid Mubarak, aapko bhi bahut bahut Mubarak. This is NewsEndler tool, and if you think this session has really helped you, it would really help your. I'm in need of your review. If you think my sessions are going to empower more and more people, I need your support in the form of your reviews, so more and more people get access to this knowledge, and they can take good decision with respect to their money and have a sense of direction in which they are headed, everything at one place, rather than attending many webinars, trying to do things on their own, learning, failing, losing money, lead leaks, right? So I really request your support. If you think what I share can add value in your life and life of others, I request your support in the form of reviews that will motivate others and inspire others to come and learn and apply and shift their life, grow their businesses. Right? Thank you so much. It was a great session. I truly enjoyed today. It was very, very, very different session amongst all my sessions. Very, very different session. The way I have done it, this session I have not done any time before. So those who are repeat here, who has repeated this session, they would know. And this session has happened in a very different format. Okay, this was kind of a reverse engineering today's session. All right. So I hope you guys also enjoyed the session. Good night. Take care. Do join the. If anyone wants to share how was the session for you, or if you have questions, I will take it quickly. I have a question here. I want to earn passive income by becoming a coach. Please help me. The whole agenda is to help you either earn a passive income, create multiple streams of income, or become your own boss. Okay. Start your own online business based on your knowledge. Thought becomes things. Your thoughts are your knowledge. Your thoughts will become your products for knowledge givers. Or those who are not teacher, trainer, coach, consultant, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a business owner, you need a digital representation of your physical products or services. So whatever I teach is relevant to you as well. Only thing for knowledge givers, the products are their knowledge, courses. For others, the products are your whatever. It could be jewelry, it could be apparels, it could be recipes, hotel products, it could be any organic products, whatever. Okay. But the digital strategies and the sales strategies and the marketing strategies will remain the same for all of you. So it is not, there is no quick answer to what you have asked. There is a whole approach and strategy, shortcuts, tips, hacks, techniques. And that is what you will have a learning curve of anywhere from 3 months to 6 months if you stay focused to be able to create your knowledge business. But the first stage is understand the complete business model. Today, you guys were ready to listen what it takes to build your knowledge business online. When we say build your online office, what all you need to build your online office? What are the investment required? What is the budget? The tools have a subscription fee. Facebook campaign minimum 500 to 800 rupees per day is a good budget, right? So if I would say having a budget of around 3 to 6 lakhs for 6 months, okay, is a good money to keep aside to build your knowledge business, which I am actually telling you after spending in last 4 years, since 2017 itself, I've spent more than 32 lakhs only in this space. And I was a super successful serial entrepreneur already. Okay, and before that, from 2012 until 2017, I had done high ticket programs from global mentors teachers. That is another. So overall, if you look at my investment in my own growth from 2012, when I was already a established, successful serial entrepreneur, then also I invested in my learnings so that I can learn from the world best, applied in my business. And today, learn from the best and share with the rest. That is my motto. So since 2012 until today, I would have invested more than 72 lakhs plus learning from different mentors and teachers and learning what the world's best do. And I want to empower all of you who aspire to become entrepreneurs. And now, especially because of COVID, it has become very important that you become self-sufficient. And the environment, internet is giving you that opportunity to create your own business. And especially from your knowledge, your inventory is your knowledge. It cannot get, I've tried so many business models, right? This is one of the low investment and highly profitable business model. And it is time that you come on board this business model. It is time to ride this huge wave of opportunity that exists for knowledge givers especially, right? Make sense? Right. Anyone wants to share anything? You want to say something, just let me know and I'll unmute you and you can share. Otherwise, we end the session now. Anyone here wants to say something, share something, ask a question, just type in the chat box me. I will unmute you and you can speak. If not, then good night. I will see you next Tuesday at 9 p.m. Right? So take care, everyone. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means we have done a fantastic job. No one has any questions. Everything is crystal clear. And whatever appreciation you want to share, please share it in my Google review. That will be great. Thank you so much. It was lovely hosting you today. I truly, though I thought the crowd is not very participative today, but I think silence was today's motto. So I truly enjoyed the way the whole session went, and I hope you also enjoyed and you learned many things today. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Join the Telegram group. Session recording will be available there. Past business satsang list playlist will be given there. Whatever. Right? So I'll see you next week at 9 p.m. Keep going, keep evolving. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.